Hello, I'm Ivy from the Philippines. I am a licensed teacher. I am an ESL teacher for 6 years. I've been teaching students from a diverse range of cultures with different learning styles. I've taught Koreans, Chinese, and even Filipino students. I've utilized a variety of ESL learning materials from Phonics and Starters books for beginners to TOEIC, OPIC, and IELTS speaking questionnaires for advanced students. I help people overcome their fear of learning and speaking English, build their confidence, and become better speakers of the language. In class, I always exert an extra effort to make it a memorable experience. The elements of fun and learning something valuable while maintaining relevance parallel to the needs of an ESL student. Come and join me in my class. See ya!